Hello friends, welcome to ASP.NET tutorial. In this sub-series, we are going to learn about master pages. Master pages in ASP.NET provides consistent look and feel for the website. So that's the main goal of master page. It provides a consistent look and feel. A website can have multiple web pages, but they can share same header, footer, menu navigation, etc. for uniformity. Alright, so it doesn't matter how many pages you visit, the header and footer will be same and it looks consistent. Alright. Also, if there is any menu navigation in the sidebar or in the top bar, so that will also get displayed for all the pages that you will visit. It's not good practice to repeat these common tags for header and footer in the menu navigation. So for example, if this is your website and let's say you have a header here and the header design involved some 15 HTML tags, right? So this is page 1. If your site contains 150 pages, you no need to repeat these 15 tags in all the header. When you are using the master page, you no need to repeat all these tags. Otherwise, you have to repeat these 15 tags in each page, right? So that's the use of master page. So it's not good practice to repeat these common tags, 15 tags on all the pages. So we design the master page and child pages refer the master page to get the common elements, say menu navigation, header, footer, all those stuff. And as already shown here, these 150 pages, these are all considered as child pages. And when you create the child page, you can refer the master page, and master page will just contain a template like this, and this will be the header, and if there is a footer, you will be having a footer, and this will be called a content page. So the child page will refer the master page and also go and sit in the content location, thereby getting the same header and footer. The master page acts as a template which is used by content pages. So here these 150 pages are considered as content pages, or some people will call it as a child page or child pages. The master page acts as a template which is used by the content pages. For the same reason, browser cannot access the master page directly. Usually the master page will come with .master extension. In the web address bar, you can provide HTTP and you can browse HTML or server-side ASPX file, all those stuff. But you cannot browse to the master file. So that's the master page, and even if you know the file name, you cannot browse through it. Let's say the menu navigation is in the left side. If you want to change it to the right, you need to only change the master page. So that's one advantage. Say for example, in all your pages, the menu navigation is in the right side, and if you want to change that in the right side for all 150 pages, you will come to master page and change the location. So that's the advantage of using the master page, and it will get reflected in all 150 child pages. Without master page, if you imagine, if you changed this menu location in one page, and for uniformity reason you have to revisit all 149 pages and shift the menu from left side to right side. Normal ASPX pages starts with percentage at the rate page directive. So that's for a normal ASPX file. But master pages starts with at the rate master. So this is a child page, right? That's why you will see page directive page. Here you will see master instead of page when it is a master page. Master page contains a content placeholder control, which will get filled by the content page at runtime. So the master page contains content placeholder. There may be one or more content placeholder control inside the master page, and those placeholder control will be filled by the child page at runtime. When we create content page, the master page file attribute tells the page users which specific master file. When we create content page, the master page attribute on the content page. So this one you will use at the content page, tells the page, content page, users which specific master file. So using this master page file attribute, the child page can tell which master file it want to use. So in our web application, you may have multiple master file also. So when you are creating the child file using the master page file attribute, you can tell which master file the content page want to use. The attribute content placeholder ID. So if you see, when you take the child page, there are two major attributes. One is master page file that tells what master page, and then the content placeholder. Yeah, master page file may have multiple content placeholder, and child page tells in which location it want to, the content want to go and sit. So first the child page will pick the master page file, then inside the master page file a specific location by making use of the content placeholder ID. So when child page tells these two, the content of the child page will occupy this content placeholder location in the master file. Have a look at the master page layout beside. So if you look at the stuff that is shown in this blue or velvet color is the content of the master page. So in the master page template, we have a header, and we will place some HTML element to form the header. Similarly, there will be a side menu. You can create side menu using CSS or whatever HTML techniques you know. Using that, you can create a side menu, and there is a footer as well using some of the HTML or CSS styled elements. So once you place all these, your master file will be ready. So if you look at here, these are all the content of the master file. You will place code for all this stuff, and you will save that with a master extension. After that, you can notice there are 3 locations for the content. So when you create the child page can be a standalone page, or if it want to use a master page, it should tell what is the master file name, and then it should specify the content placeholder ID, so that the child content will go and sit on the specific location. If child page tells master page is ab.master and content placeholder ID is 3, then the content will go and sit here. So there is no demo in here. Thank you for watching. Bye.